Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on an Epson WorkForce WF-2630. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself using the control panel and the screen you can see here. My printer is currently set to English, and I'm assuming if you're watching this video you probably want to change yours from a different language to English. So I'll be counting the steps I do so you can follow it regardless of the language you're in currently. So to start off, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, indicated by this symbol here. If you're not already there, just press the home button to be taken there. And hopefully you'll be able to see you have the Wi-Fi symbol and copy, with copy selected by a black bar. Now, we're going to start navigating using these arrows and OK here. So we press down 1, 2, 3, 4 times until setup is selected. Then we press OK. I pressed it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll have common settings. There's no symbol to indicate that for you, but as long as you pressed it 5 times, you should have common settings selected. Then press OK. Then we press it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times language and then English. So we press OK to go into language, which knocks us down onto that bit. Obviously mine's at English. It's the very top option on the screen. Can't go any higher. And I can scroll down through all the other languages. So if you're in any other language, I'd recommend just pressing up until you see English appear as an option. Press OK, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it in a comment down below. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.